If you've ever bought something on itch.io and realized you need a refund, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to request one the right way. I'll walk you through what information to include, how the refund process works, and what to expect after you send your request. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and platform guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, it's important to know that itch.io handles refunds manually. That means there isn't usually a one-click refund button, like you might see on some other platforms. Because many games and downloads on itch.io are DRM-free, refund requests are reviewed by the support team case by case. So the best way to get started is to contact itch.io support directly by email. Open your email app and send a message to support@itch.io. Make sure you send the refund request within 7 days of your purchase, because timing matters and refund eligibility is typically limited to that window. In your email, include your account name so the support team can quickly identify your purchase. You should also include the transaction ID, which helps them locate the exact order in their system. If you're not sure where to find the transaction ID, check your purchase confirmation email or payment receipt. Next, clearly explain why you're requesting the refund. Keep it simple, honest, and specific. For example, you can say it was an accidental duplicate purchase or that the game isn't working properly on your device. The more clearly you explain the issue, the easier it is for the support team to review your request. After that, just send the email and wait for a response from itch.io staff. Since the process is manual, it may take some time for them to evaluate your case, so be patient and avoid sending multiple duplicate emails unless you need to add important information. While you wait, double-check that your message includes all the key details: your account name, the transaction ID, the date of purchase, and a short explanation of the problem. That simple checklist can help avoid delays. And that's really all there is to it. To refund on itch.io, you email support@itch.io within 7 days, provide your account information and transaction ID, and clearly explain the issue so the support team can review it. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.